Next level airport travel tips. Did you know that over 26 million bags were mishandled worldwide in just 1 year, and flight delays have increased by over 30% since 2022? Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just planning your next vacation, navigating the airport can make or break your entire trip. We are here to help you travel smarter, stress less, and explore deeper. Today, we're diving into next-level airport travel tips that will completely transform your airport experience. Airports can be overwhelming, from endless security lines to tight connections, lost luggage, and terminals that feel like mini cities. But with the right strategies, you can glide through airports like a pro and even enjoy the journey. The common challenges. Let's be real. Even the most exciting trip can start on the wrong foot if your airport experience is chaotic. Here are some of the most common challenges travelers face. Long security lines that seem to move at glacier speed. Unexpected flight delays or gate changes that throw off your schedule. Getting lost in massive terminals, especially during tight layovers. And the dreaded lost or delayed luggage that ruins your first few days of travel. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are a few smart tips to beat the chaos. Tip 1. Arrive early, but not too early. Aim to arrive 2 to 3 hours before international flights and 90 minutes for domestic, especially during peak travel seasons. This gives you time to manage unexpected delays without spending half your day at the gate. Tip 2. Use technology to your advantage. Download the airline's app for real-time flight updates, mobile boarding passes, and baggage tracking. Apps like FlightAware or TripIt can help you stay ahead of delays and gate changes. Tip 3. Know your terminal layout. Before you arrive, check the airport map online. Know where your gate is, where the lounges are, and how to get to baggage claim fast. This is especially helpful for layovers. Tip 4. Pack smart and light. Use packing cubes to stay organized and always have a change of clothes, charger, and essentials in your carry-on in case your checked luggage is delayed. Tip 5. Skip the lines with expedited security. Sign up for TSA PreCheck, Global Entry, or Clear. These programs can cut your wait time drastically, sometimes from 45 minutes to just 5. Here's the game changer most travelers overlook: airport lounge access. Whether you're flying economy or business, you can often access lounges through credit cards, day passes, or programs like Priority Pass. Inside, you'll find comfortable seating, free food and drinks, showers and Wi-Fi, quiet spaces to relax or work. It turns a stressful wait into a mini vacation before your vacation. Let's recap our top next-level airport travel tips. Arrive strategically, early but not too early. Leverage travel apps for updates and navigation. Know your terminal layout before arrival. Pack smart with essentials in your carry-on. Sign up for TSA PreCheck or Clear. Upgrade your experience with lounge access. Now you're ready to navigate airports like a jet setter. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Got your own airport hacks or travel secrets? Drop them in the comments below.